Want to clear cache in Windows 11? It's the right place. Here is how to clear clutter on your Windows quickly and effectively. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we will show you simple yet powerful methods to declutter your Windows 11 system. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Clear cache via settings. To start with the simplest method, you can clear cache directly from the Settings app. Press Windows +I to open Settings, then select System, then Storage. Next, select Temporary Files. Check the box for the cache file types, click Remove Files and confirm. Method 2. Clear Microsoft Store cache. To keep your Microsoft Store running smoothly, you can clear its cache with a simple command. Open the Run command box by pressing Windows +R. Type wsreset.exe and press Enter. Wait for the black window to close automatically. This will remove the Microsoft Store cache. Method 3. Use Disk Cleanup tool. If you prefer the classic approach, the Disk Cleanup tool offers an effective solution for clearing cache. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu and open it. Select for your Windows drive and then click OK. Choose the file types to delete and click OK. Confirm by clicking Delete Files. Method 4. Remove Location cache. For enhanced privacy, it's a good idea to clear the location data stored on your system. Here is how to do so. Go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security and then Location. In the Location History section, click Clear. Method 5. Clear DNS cache. To resolve network-related issues, clearing the DNS cache can often help. Follow these steps to clear DNS. Type CMD in the Windows search menu and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Type this command and hit Enter. You can copy and paste the command from the description below. Method 6. Use Storage Sense to clear cache. For a hands-off approach, enable Storage Sense to automatically manage and clear cache files. Follow these steps. Go to Settings, then select System, then Storage. Now turn on the toggle for Storage Sense. Expand it. Enable Automatic User Content Cleanup. Configure your preferences for what to clear and when. By enabling and configuring Storage Sense, you can effortlessly keep your device clutter-free and running efficiently without the need for manual intervention. And there you have it. These are the best ways to clear cache on Windows 11. We hope you found this guide helpful. If it made things easier for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more practical tech tips and troubleshooting advice. Share your experience in the comments below to help others in the community. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.